everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars. This dance is about a beginner level dance. I'd say it's very beginner, so if you're starting out with tap, this is a good one to try out. If you have not yet seen the short that I posted, I think it was on Tuesday earlier this week. Once we're done learning the dance here, you can go ahead and go back to the short video and do the dance with music in that video. So if you want to practice it with music, you can find the video to that short link in my description box below. And any steps that I do in this tutorial, that I do in this dance, you can also find in my description box below under my tap step tutorials. So if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. All right, let's get to it. So we start out with 4 paradiddles, starting on our right foot, nice and slow. So right foot starts, we have 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Good, right foot's free to go. We're gonna go into some 4 count riffs. So it's just like the 5 count, you're just gonna take out that middle heel. So we're gonna go into 2 of them, right side, left side, 4 count riff. And then right foot's still free to go, and you're gonna do 4 drawbacks going back. So this is the fastest part of the dance here with these drawbacks, and they're kind of tricky to do. So if you don't have much experience with drawbacks, I would recommend going back and watching my video on those and getting those faster before you come and do this choreography. So drawbacks, 4 of them, starting on your right side, will go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. From here, right foot's still free to go. We're going to go into 3 buffaloes on our right foot. So it'll go 1, and 2, and 3, and then flat ball change. Good. Now left foot's ready to go. You're going to repeat the same thing on your left foot. So it's going to go buffalo 1, 2, and 3, and then again flat ball change. Good. From here, right foot starts 8 of our step heels. So right foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're going to go into 2 cramp rolls, starting on your right foot, 1 and 2, and then to finish it out, 2 paradiddles, right side, left side, 1 and 2. Good. Let's run through the whole thing again, and I will call out the names of the steps as we go, and then we'll run it through again where I don't call out the names of the steps. So starting from the top with our paradiddles, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle. Good. Now the 4 count riff. Draw back. Buffalo. Flat ball change. Left side. Flat ball change. Step heel. 8 times. Cramp roll. Paradiddle. All right, nicely done. Let's try that again. This time I'm not going to say the steps as we go. So just from the very top all the way through. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to do the dance with music, I posted a short earlier in the week, so you can find that link in my description box below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and turn on notifications. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.